Hey everyone, welcome to another Technique Tuesday. This week we're going to be talking about the push-up. Push-ups are a great exercise to target your chest, your triceps, your shoulders, and even a little bit of your core. These are all important muscles for doing things like yard work, lifting something overhead, or pushing something heavy. To set up for a push-up, Michaela's going to be on the floor with her hands directly under her shoulders. If this is painful on her hands in this position, she can always change to just being with a straight wrist on her knuckles, like that. What she's going to focus on is trying to keep her head in a nice neutral position, so not looking too far up, not looking too far down, just a straight line throughout her body. She's going to set her core by drawing her belly button in towards her spine, and once that's set, she can go ahead and extend her legs and get up onto her toes. Once in this position, Michaela is going to start the push-up by bending her elbows and slowly lowering herself towards the ground. She's going to make sure to go through a full range of motion, all the way chest to the ground, and then elbows fully extended when she's back up. During this motion, she's going to want to make sure that her core stays engaged so that her hips don't start to sag or arch through her back. For all the push-ups we're going to show you, Michaela's going to be focusing on keeping her elbows at a 45-degree angle away from her body so that her body is in the shape of an arrow. That's going to keep her shoulders in a nice, safe position. If you're not able to keep good form throughout the whole push-up or go through the full range of motion, one good modification is going to be an incline push-up. Now, when you're doing these at home, you need to make sure that you're using a stable surface, such as a couch or a countertop, not something that's going to slide out from underneath you. So what Michaela's going to do is she's going to put her hands up onto this table, and it's going to lessen the amount of body weight that she's going to be pushing. She's then going to repeat the same motion by bending her elbows down and coming back up. If you're able to do a push-up while going through the full range of motion and keeping good form, one fun way to advance it is going to be using a medicine ball. Now with this medicine ball, it makes it a little bit more unstable, so you're going to be using some stabilizers in your shoulders, as well as using your core to make sure that you don't fall over. Obviously, if you don't feel safe doing this exercise, this is not one that you have to do. But what Michaela's going to do from here is going to get in the normal push-up position with her legs extended, and then lower herself down towards the ball. This is going to be working through a little bit farther of a range of motion, which is going to make it a little tougher as well. If you don't have a medicine ball at home, you can always do the same exercise just flat on the ground by placing your hands in the shape of a diamond directly under your chest and then lowering yourself down.